Hey, what's up guys? This is Michael here with Original Detailing. And on the previous video, we cleaned this vehicle, we cleaned the dashboard with our quick interior cleaner. Today we're gonna show you how to protect the surface of the vehicle. So as you guys can see, we get a lot of sun damage on a lot of our vehicles on the interior. Now it's time to protect it. For that, we're gonna go ahead and use our extreme and Trier and Trim Shine. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go ahead and grab a premium microfiber applicator, and then we are going to do the application. So very easy to use, very simple. We're gonna go ahead and spray the product just like that, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply the product. So very easy. All you do is you grab your applicator and start putting that on the vehicle. Now this is going to protect the dashboard against the UV rays. Is going to protect it against any type of damage, and it's also going to give us a nice and original look. I know you guys don't like a lot of shine on the inside of your vehicle. Also, it's not safe to have a lot of shine, because if you're driving in direct sunlight, that reflects the shine on your windshield. So you want to make sure that you're safe on the road. So this is going to give you just enough shine to make it look very nice and clean. Now if you think that you have a lot of shine, I think we have a pretty good shine right now, but you can also wipe it down. So our dressing has an adjustable shine, and you can wipe it down, and now you can go ahead and remove any type of excess of the product. See, with the microfiber towel, you're gonna be able to just leave a nice thin coat of the product. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a like, comment down below, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to visit our website, originaldetailing.com. Se me